Charlotte, North Carolina, known as the Queen City, is a mecca for entertainment and enjoyment, and home to many unique neighborhoods, each within proximity to Uptown. The city is the perfect combination of history and modernity, and a blossoming hub for young professionals and families alike. Whether you want to spend a day on the lake, taking in a game at the stadium, outdoor excitement at the Whitewater Center, shopping and dining along the South End Rail Trail, or endless other possibilities, it is easy to see that this city has so much to offer. Charlotte is praised for its beloved food scene, with an abundance of cuisines available to fit a variety of tastes. Breweries and trendy restaurants are never more than a short drive away. With so many local eateries in each unique neighborhood, there is great food everywhere, and plenty of it. Leisure is also at your fingertips in the Queen City, home to professional football and basketball teams. Festivals, tailgates, concerts, and more are always in full swing. Not to mention ample art exhibits, museums, and other desired attractions. Shopping is a local favorite pastime, with the premium outlets, multiple shopping malls, and hundreds of boutiques accessible for every niche nearby. Enjoy all the outdoor excitement that Charlotte has to offer, from Crowder's Mountain to Lake Wylie, Norman and Mountain Island Lake. People love to lead an active outdoor lifestyle here, and the renowned greenways and parks make that easy to accomplish. When it's time for you to immerse yourself in all that Charlotte has to offer, Lennar will be ready to help. Lennar Homes offers a variety of communities in the suburban neighborhoods of Charlotte, just a short trip away from the airport, Uptown, and so much more. Whether you are in search of single-family homes, townhome communities, or active adult ranch homes from the north side in Mooresville, to South Charlotte in Waxhaw, and into South Carolina in Fort Mill and Tega Cay, Lennar has a dream home perfect for you. Come explore the Queen City and see why so many people take pride in calling it home.